Alright, I have uploaded all the videos that's being processed. Now we are on a hunt for dessert because we need food. Actually, no, we already ate food. We just want dessert.
We just want dessert.
Yeah, I want ice cream. Yeah, so we're on a hunt for Vegas ice cream. The best ice cream in Vegas.
Not in your video.
Yeah, Carolina. So this is Carolina Milan. She flew all the way from Chile.
All the way from Chile.
All the way from Chile to be here. And she's speaking as well. And Oscar, he wants ice cream as well.
I don't know about that.
Oscar,
I'm just hanging out with you guys.
We're going for ice cream. The hunt for Vegas ice cream begins. The Paris Hotel has a lot of restaurants, but dessert is not one of them. But we're gonna check out the crepe place. I think assuming they're still open, but I don't think they're. That looks like they're closed, Oscar.
Oh, they're open.
They're open? Oh, people lining up for some crepes? Cool. All right, they're still open after all. And give me a dessert crepe. So, say dessert. You got butter and sugar, banana. Foster, oh Nutella, there you go, Nutella. Can I get that?
Foster is great.
Banana. Well, I want Nutella, but I want it with banana. Can I get that?
I want the banana one too.
Oh, strawberry lemon pan. That looks...
You get whatever you want. Don't make whatever you ask for.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask for. Can I get Nutella and banana? That's what I'm gonna get. Look at the skill of that crepe maker.
Are you buying me a crepe?
Hmm?
Are you buying me a crepe?
You want me to buy you a crepe? Oh my God, that's smart, see? That's why she makes all the money. Can I get 2 Nutella? I'm gonna try and zoom in on the guy making it. There you go. There's the master creeper. Oh, the master creeper? Creeper? The master crepe maker. Yeah, he's kind of behind that thing. I can't get a good shot.
Professional creeper.
Professional creeper, that's him. Look at that, what a flip. Oh, no, he's putting on the Nutella. Putting on and then he's gonna add the banana. Yeah, slicing in. Oh wow, that's pretty good slicing.
Where's the banana?
Yeah, I saw him slice the banana and then Nutella in there. He was fast. Now maybe he'll do yo and you'll see. Here comes yo. Alright, gonna do the flip. Watch the flip. Wow, skill. And here's the Nutella.
Nice.
And then here comes the banana. Watch how fast he cuts the banana.
Here comes the banana.
Check it out. Watch the speed.
Wow.
That's pretty awesome. There you go. Check out Anthony Cool, rule number 136. Before coming, consult your doctor. Before returning, consult your psychiatrist. Good rule. Oh yes, thank you. Oh wow, check. Holy crepe.
Holy crepe.
That looks amazing. All right, so there you go. There you go. All right, let's put it away somewhere. Deliver the crepe. So here's my crepe. It looks very, very good. And I'm sorry before, if the video looked kind of dark, I had the ND filter on. I turned it off now, so now it looks really, really good. And this is my banana Nutella crepe with whipping cream and a hazelnut. So Carolina got the same thing. Oscar got the banana something else.
Foster.
Yeah. So that looks good too.
It looks very similar.
It looks very great. So yeah, the only thing that's bad about this is being in Vegas. This crepe was crepey expensive. $10.50 for a crepe.
That's pretty normal.
Really?
It's pretty standard.
It's normal?
Yeah.
How much is it in Irvine?
If you go to the Long Beach spot for it, it's like $50.
Oh really? Okay, so it's good after all. All right, so it's a good deal.
Cheaper in France, though. It's good?
That's a good dessert. Yeah. After this, we go for ice cream.
Oh no.